Okay, so far we've uploaded all our information onto Aweber. We've got all our details set up, and if you've been going through the wizard and following what I've just done before with setting up your basic information and then setting up your first list information, you should have all that stuff done. And also in the previous step, it had the confirmation email. Okay, so you should have done those steps already. Okay, and then you would have noticed down the bottom it would have had create a welcome email. Okay, so that's that first email that gets sent out after someone's hit that confirmation link in that confirmation message. Okay, so this is all automated as well, and what we're going to do now is we're going to actually create that welcome email. Okay, so it'll all, if you just follow the wizard in the bottom here, okay, if you just keep following these steps, you'll be able to get everything sorted. Okay, but now I'm going to give you this is how I actually create that follow-up welcome email. Okay, so we're inside here. What you need to do is just like basically like a word processor. Okay, you got all these buttons up here where you can center stuff, you can add images, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so it's very, very simple to do. This is where you put your subject line. Okay, so this is what gets sent. This is what someone will see inside their email inbox as the subject line. Okay, so what I like to do as the first email messages, I normally type on mine. It's are you ready? And then it's plus a quick favor. Okay. Obviously, this is, you can have anything you want here, okay, depending on what you're trying to do with your email subscribers, okay. But I'm trying to build a relationship, and I found doing this kind of thing first, is like asking a question, is more likely you'll actually get a reply from these messages, okay. So what you can do here, this is where you're just going to be typing your message, okay. So what we're going to do here, I've already copied some text earlier, so all you need to do is come down here, and this is where you'll be typing your text. Okay, so we'll just get rid of this first. Alright, and I'm just going to copy and paste that text that I've got from my email. Okay, so I'm just going to paste that in here, and you can see that's already put in that email. This is my welcome email. Okay, I'm going to give this to you guys. You can use this as your foundation if you like. You just need to word it. This is the email I was using for the launch for the website. Okay, so you can see I've actually made it personal here, and I'm talking like a real person. Okay, so that's what you want your emails to be like. So this email here, you have like a brief introduction, and then this is what I want people to do here. Okay, I want to start building that relationship with people. Okay, so if you want to try and get replies from your messages, this is a good way of doing it. Okay, so this is the technique you can use. Okay, and I'm going to give you all this text in underneath this video. Alright, and you can start tweaking this a little bit and start using this in your own newsletter. Alright, so what I might do is I'll just tweak this a little bit more. I'm just going to make this here in bold. Okay, and it's just like a Word document. Okay, just click bold. Okay, let's just say you wanted to have a link in here. Okay, you can just do exactly that just by highlighting what you want to get linked, and then clicking this button here, and then copy and paste the link in there. Okay, but I'll show you that in some future videos, but let's just set this welcome email up for now. Alrighty, what else the next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to shorten this email just so it looks a little bit cleaner inside someone's email inbox. Okay, so it's been said that like if people have to read across the page a little bit more, they're less likely to read the whole email. Okay, so I'm going to shorten this. Okay, so what you need to do is you come over here on this little this button here, click that. Actually no, sorry, we click just click this box here. Okay, and then you'll come up here with this stuff here. What you're going to do is you're just going to hit this little plus sign. Okay, and that's called a vertical split. That's going to split this email in half. Okay, so I'm going to hit that, and you can see how that's made that a bit smaller. It's just a little bit easier to read for people. Okay, so that's why I do that. Alrighty, so that's looking pretty good for a welcome email. Alright, and what we want to do from here is, we'll go down here, we'll just get rid of this. Get rid of this text down here. I'll just delete this just so it looks a bit cleaner. Okay, so that's starting to look pretty good. Okay, nice and clean. That's my welcome email. Okay, so what you want to do here is, you know, you can, if you decide that you want to personalize this, you can add you know, someone's name here. Okay, so automatically. Okay, so you can do that by coming here where it says add personalization. Okay, so you can just click that, and whatever you've set up on your opt-in form, okay, that's what you can collect here. So say if you're collecting someone's first name, okay, which is, it's already up here. Okay, I'm just going to click cancel. Alright, so when I send this message to someone, okay, it's automatically going to put their first name in here. Okay, so there's a bit of code behind this. Okay, but that's going to say if your name was John, okay, it's going to say, hey there, John. Alright, or if your name was Samantha, hey there, Samantha. Okay, it's going to do that automatically. But just because I'm collecting emails, okay, I'm going to delete that. Alrighty. Okay, so what we need to do from here is come down here, you just click save. Okay, that message has been saved, and then we're just going to click next. It's going to ask you for click tracking. Okay, just leave that ticked. You click save and exit. Okay, that's just saving now. Alrighty, so as you can see, that's now been added to our follow-up series. Okay, so this message here sends out automatically. Okay, if you want to test it for yourself, just so you can see what it looks like when it gets sent, you can do that. So just inside of here, just click the edit button. Alright, and that's going to load that message back up again. And what you can actually do is, we can actually send this to yourself, okay, just so you can test it. So you can just click up here where it says test, okay, and you can send this you know, to wherever you want, okay, just to see how it looks in your very own inbox, okay, and then you can send that test. Okay, so that's the way that you can make sure that everything looks the part. Alrighty, so that's that welcome email. Alrighty, so I hope you found that pretty interesting, and I hope you can use that text that I'm going to give you underneath this video and start tweaking you know, some of your own welcome emails. You can use any of this stuff, I really don't mind, okay, but that's just the basic layout for a pretty good welcome email. Okay, so I'll catch you in the next video.